Hey guys, welcome back. This week I caked a groom's cake, a tuxedo cake for a wedding for a groom. So here I am with the concentration face, just crumb coating my cake. And I tried to use a new tool. I'll link this tip in the description box. It didn't really work for me. But, if you have any luck with it, let me know. Maybe I wasn't using it right. So this method of covering your cake in fondant is called the panel method. I will leave a link here on how I do that, the full video for you guys. It's pretty simple. Now we're going to move on to the meat and potatoes of this, the Tuxedo Bow Tie, which is pretty simple to make. Here I'm just cutting out a strip of fondant. I cut that in half. I make sure I put some water on the edges and I fold like an M to create some flow and make it more realistic. Add some napkin or paper towel to make it look more realistic. And just to add some fluff so it's not so flat against your cake. And you add 2 more strips on top of that to create the little centerpiece. I don't know how to tie a bow tie, but if you do, that's the piece that you need. And then you let this sit and dry. I think I let mine sit for maybe a day. I didn't use CMC powder with this, so it didn't dry fast, but I didn't really want that. Next, we're going to move on to the white shirt that's under the suit jacket. It's literally a triangle of fondant, another strip that I used a stitching tool for, cleaned it up just a bit, put that in the center, and you have your white shirt. Now I am I'm freestyling the lapel because I couldn't find one that I liked and fit my cake. So I'm literally looking at a picture of lapels on my phone, I believe, and I just freestyled it. So now here's where the magic happens. I am adding the white shirt. This cake honestly is super easy. If you try it, please tag me at chynabsweets on Instagram. I would love to see how you guys, the improvements you guys make to this. And again, the groom wanted a pretty simple cake, so I had to, make it the way he wanted it, but I'm sure you can jazz it up and make it way better than this one. So if you do, please tag me. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. I do drop a new cake video every Wednesday. If you didn't like it, keep it to yourself because I don't need that type of negativity, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.